everyone. Welcome to this week's Zebra Report. Today, I want to talk about our spring market because spring has sprung. There is a very busy market out there. If you look at open house attendance is up. If you look at pending numbers, in most areas, pending numbers are up. People want to buy and they've been waiting too long to buy. Also, while interest rates are still just holding still, people are finding solutions and ways to get out of the homes that they haven't wanted to stay in. So we have had literally a year of what I would call, 2023 is the year I call the limbo year. We were in limbo, but 2024 is shaping up already to be super active. Also, what I want you to do is go into the MLS and find out for yourself what's happening in your area. First, there's three things you're going to look at. Number one, I want you to look at the sales, and I want you to look specifically at the days on market and the list to sale price ratio. It's the first thing because that will show you the pace of the market. Then it'll show you the price in the market if prices are holding steady. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to go in the MLS and I want you to look at historical sales comparing this year to the last 3 years so that you can kind of see how we started to have a pretty robust start in many areas. The next thing I want you to do is to try to find the sweet spot in your market. And you do that by pulling sales in all price points. Then what I want you to do is go in and look for the price points that have sold the quickest and sold for the highest list to sell price ratio. And all of a sudden, you're going to start to find out not only where the market is hot, but what the market is buying. And that is critically important. And that just gives you an edge in case you want to market. And that's another great opportunity, marketing to sweet spot areas. So a classic example is, let's imagine I go in and I pull a sweet spot report and I'm looking at, let's say an area, I'll just give a random area. Let's say Bellevue. I pull sales in Bellevue and I notice that for whatever reason, doesn't matter, condos in this particular neighborhood are selling fast and they're selling for top dollar. Great opportunity for me then to send out a mailer to that particular area saying, listen, there's an opportunity right now for you as a potential seller or as a homeowner. You need to know that your product that you have right now is in hot demand and here's the proof for it. And if you're thinking of doing something, get in touch with me because I have the data. That's the kind of thing we need to be doing in 2024 just to keep ourselves in the market, ahead of the market, and in front of people with something valuable to give to them. So you need to be a market researcher and a reporter. And the more you can do that in your business, the better chance that you have of becoming that agent you want to be. So remember, 2024 is here. It's going to be a great year, but you also got to put the work in. So get into the MLS. You're paying for it anyways. Might as well use the incredible tool that it is. And it is an incredible tool. Utilize it as a lead generation tool for you to be able to then send things out to clients. So until next week, get into the MLS, you guys. Take care.